If you really want to grow and you really want to expand, and you're going to have mentors and sponsors who are not in your department.
My favorite thing about today's event was just the practical and hands-on techniques that we were given to take home with us and use in our everyday lives.
People who want to constantly learn and improve, this is the perfect environment for them. It doesn't matter what your age is, it doesn't matter what your occupation is, and it doesn't even matter where you are in your career.